Is a McDonald's Gold Card available for purchase?
Hey there, fast food enthusiasts and card collectors. Today we're diving into an often asked but rarely understood question. Is a McDonald's Gold Card available for purchase? Stick with us as we explore the truth behind this elusive piece of plastic.
What is a McDonald's Gold Card?
Let's start from the beginning. What exactly is a McDonald's Gold Card? The McDonald's Gold Card is a mythic piece of plastic that offers free McDonald's for life to its lucky holder. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? However, here's the kicker. It's not something you can typically apply for or buy.
Who has received a McDonald's Gold Card?
This card is generally given to a select few. To give you an idea, recipients of the Gold Card have included billionaire Warren Buffett and Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates. These cards are usually region-specific, which means even if you were a holder, you could only use it in specific locations.
Can I buy a McDonald's Gold Card?
So, can you buy a McDonald's Gold Card? The short and simple answer is, no, you cannot. This card is not available for purchase. It is a promotional or gift item McDonald's hands out to specific individuals, often for charitable reasons or special occasions.
How can I get one?
Given that you can't buy one, you might wonder, how can I get a McDonald's Gold Card? In truth, there's no surefire method to obtain one. However, McDonald's has been known to run contests where the grand prize is a version of this legendary card. So, keep an eye out on their promotions if you're hoping to become a cardholder. In summary, the McDonald's Gold Card is not available for purchase. It's a special item, gifted by the company to certain individuals or won through specific promotions. While we may dream of free Big Macs for life, for most of us, the Gold Card will remain a fun fast food legend. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of the McDonald's Gold Card. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more myth-busting content.